and How to Refund Spotify Premium 2026 Full Guide. Did Spotify charge you for premium and now you want your money back? Whether it was an accidental renewal, free trial charge, or the wrong payment, I'll show you exactly how to request a Spotify premium refund step by step. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand how Spotify refunds work. Simply canceling your premium plan does not automatically give you a refund. Your premium usually stays active until the end of your billing period, and your account switches to free after that. Step 1. Check how you paid. Open your Spotify account and go to your plan. Look at your payment details. If you paid directly through Spotify, you can request a refund from Spotify support. If you paid through Apple App Store, Google Play, iTunes, mobile carrier, internet provider, then Spotify cannot refund you directly. You must contact that payment partner instead. Step 2. Cancel your premium subscription. Go to your account page and open Manage Your Plan. Tap Cancel Subscription. This stops future charges but does not refund the current payment automatically. Step 3. Contact Spotify support. Visit Spotify support and open the Billing Help section. Choose Payments and Billing, Refund Request. You'll usually need your account email, payment receipt, last charge date, payment method used. Spotify reviews refunds case by case. Step 4. Request quickly refunds are usually only possible within a short time after the payment was processed. So if you were charged today or very recently, contact support immediately for the best chance of approval. Step 5. Free trial charges. If you forgot to cancel a free trial and got charged, you should still contact support right away. Sometimes Spotify may approve a refund depending on timing and account history. Bonus tip. If your account is connected to a partner plan like iTunes, refunds must go through that provider, not Spotify. This is one of the biggest reasons users get confused. And that's it. Now you know how to refund Spotify Premium in 2026 step by step. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Was your payment through Spotify or Apple?